জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Come in. Come in. Come have a seat. Sit down here. Let me get some water for you. What happened, Vicky? Hey, what happened?
I can't tolerate this. This pretense of love after what you have done. Don't try to pretend in front of me, Sanjukta.
I am pretending? You think my concern for you is a pretense?
Yes, I think so. You slapped me in public and now you're trying to show off. Because of you. Only because of you, I had to apologize to that uncultured maid in front of everyone. It was you who humiliated me.
I know everything. But did I have any other option in that situation, Vicky? I even drank poison once. I drank poison. Just suppose it was your turn today. Had everyone suspected Jasmine, then our plan would have been ruined. Deepu wouldn't have married her.
How could you slap me in front of so many people to save that Jasmine? Is she so close to you, that Jasmine? How dare she accuses me in front of everyone? How dare she?
Uncle. Yes, I accused you. What's a big deal about that?
We need you to get Nayan out of Dripto's life. Otherwise, I would have taught you a lesson for accusing me publicly.
Yes, it's obvious that you are angry with me. And what Mrs. Basu did to save me is obvious too. Because had we not accused you then, this day would have never come.
What do you mean by that?
Dripto will announce his decision to marry me at tonight's party. Had I got caught that day, it wouldn't have happened today.
Seriously? Will he make the announcement of marrying her? Has Dripto agreed? Oh my goodness!
So now you tell me, I worked so hard for this. It would have been ruined if I got caught that day. All my plans and programs would have been
Wait
ruined.
a minute, hold on. What plan? What program? What plans do you have?
You don't need to know my real plan, Uncle. Look, your purpose is to help your nephews get the property. And according to Tapobrato Basu's will, the property will go to Dripto's wife. That is me. How would it have worked if I got caught? How will you take the property from me if I don't get it at all?
You know we'll take the property from you. Still you want to marry Dripto? Why? Tell me. My interest is in helping my nephews get the property. What's your interest, Jasmine?
I have an interest. I love Dripto so much.
That's why I'm telling you this. Sometimes I can't figure out what goes on in your head. Don't you know? Don't you? Don't you know how dangerous Vivek is? But you still... Why did you let him stay here, Nayan? How can you be so stupid?
Couldn't you muster the courage and say that you didn't forgive him? Deepu already said that your decision would be the final one. You wouldn't get this chance again and again. We all will be relieved if Vivek leaves. What could I have done? Please don't get angry with me, ma'am.
No, we won't get angry with you. What could you have done? Listen, you should have told him directly. Uncle, you have tried to harm me. That is why I cannot forgive you. Get out of this house.
How could I have done that? Dripto was suffering a lot. He loves his uncle a lot, ma'am.
And Nayan, you love Dripto very much.
You cannot tolerate it if he is in pain, am I right? That's why you became soft and welcomed Uncle home, right? See, Grandma, I am not that stupid. I know she forgave Uncle because she loves Dipto. Am I right, my friend? Say it, say it.
No, that's not at all the case, ma'am. Actually, the one whom I'm trying to protect isn't it my job to protect him from any pain? That's why I.
See, Grandma, see, my friend is too much. You love Dripto very much. You can't tolerate if he is in pain, am I right? I know she forgave Uncle because she loves Dripto.
Did you see it, Pratima? Nayan was embarrassed because of what Rangana said. She ran away to hide her embarrassment.
It is true that Nayan denied it out of embarrassment. But she really loves Deepu. She is so dedicated because she loves him very much. But she is so unlucky, mother, that she has to see the one she loves getting married to someone else. Her feelings and her love, are we not playing with her heart too much, mother? We are doing an injustice to her. We are not able to do anything for her.
Yes, it is an injustice. What we are doing with Nayan is a grave injustice. But you are not aware, Pratima, that I am only doing this injustice to Nayan for Deepu's sake. I am not selfish. The priest had said that Nayan will lose her life to save her husband's. I am so adamant to get Deepu married in order to save Nayan.
Trust me, I don't want any property at all. I just want Dripto to be mine. I'm doing everything only to achieve Dripto's love. That's it.
Really?
Why? Don't you believe me, Uncle?
You're not that simple, Jasmine. I need to know what's going on in your mind.
No matter how clever you think you are not that intelligent to figure out what's going on in my mind.
All right, it's clear then, Sanjukta. We don't have anything to hide. Dripto will be Jasmine and the property will be ours. There's no need to worry anymore.
Let's not discuss all this now. let Deepu and Jasmine get married first. Until they get married, I will not be at peace.
You shouldn't be relieved, Mrs. Basu. We should worry.
What do you mean? What do you mean to say?
My suspicion is getting stronger, Mrs. Basu. Dripto does not care at all about Nayan. He does not even think that he should divorce Nayan. He is marrying again in her presence. But he asked uncle to apologize to Nayan. Why? Why would Nayan decide whether uncle should stay here or not? Why? Dripto is still giving so much importance to Nayan.
Right. This is highly suspicious. Even I don't feel very good about it. Tell me something. We are thinking that we are conspiring, but is anyone conspiring against us?
Nothing is impossible, Mrs. Basu. Dad says this often. We should not take our enemies lightly. Be alert, Mrs. Basu. I am not able to understand Dripto. And Nayan? We don't know what Nayan is up to. We can't be relieved until we know everything.
Why was it revealed in public, oh Lord? I didn't even want to admit it to myself. I am hiding it with great difficulty, Lord. I am hiding it with great difficulty. I am very unlucky, my lord. I am not allowed to fall in love with anyone. I am not allowed. I just need to perform my duties. My duties.
Nayan?
Oh Lord, did he hear what I said?
We are anxious about Dripto and Nayan. No one in the family should have any clue about it. They decorated it so well. Please come. It's very nice. Such nice decorations. I must call Dripto now.
But where is Deepu?
Thank you, Nayan. Do you remember the meaning of thank you?
Gratitude. You told me that once. I was talking to myself that I'm not allowed to fall in love with him, that I just need to do my duties. If he's heard that, why is he thanking me then? But why did you thank me, sir?
Nayan, I didn't imagine that you would forgive Uncle.
Thank God. He didn't hear what I was saying. But he thanked me because I forgave Uncle. It was you who gave me the right to decide whether to forgive him or not. No one ever respects a maid so much, am I right? Moreover, you did so much for me, sir. So in return, can't I do only this much for you?
For me?
Whatever I do it for you. But I know you won't realize that. You won't realize that.
Nayan, what's wrong? Why did you say that? And why are you avoiding looking at me? Complete whatever you want to say. Nayan, I don't like beating around the bush. Nayan, you didn't forgive Uncle with all your heart, did you? You forgave Uncle because you didn't want me to suffer, right? Answer me, Nayan.
I request you to not force me. I won't be able to tell you the truth, sir.
I will force you. You must tell me the truth. Tell me, Nayan. Tell me.
You won't like the truth, sir. Do you still want to know?
Yes, I
that?
want to hear it.
Then let me tell you the truth, sir. I didn't forgive Uncle. I'll never forgive him either. Not because he deceived me, but because he's deceiving you.
Listen, Sanjukta, I looked for Dripto in his room and on the terrace. He's nowhere to be seen.
What?
Yes.
Well, uncle, tell
Yes?
you what. You stay with Mrs. Basu.
Okay.
Let me go and check where he is. Okay? Please handle it here for a while.
What do you mean by he's deceiving me? Nayan, what are you trying to say?
I'll never forget that. He tried to drop the chandelier on your head, sir. I'll never forget. How can I forgive Uncle knowing everything? Tell me.
You are saying it again. Why is it stuck in your head about Uncle? You will never get rid of this misconception, right? Swear on God, Nayan, that you won't misunderstand anyone anymore only because of your suspicion.
Where can Dripto go?
Say it. That you won't accuse anyone without any proof. Swear on God, come on. You won't suspect anymore.
My Lord is with me. And I don't lie in front of him, sir. And if he wants proof, I'll give him that. I will prove everything someday. Will my Lord accept the proof that day?
What do you mean by that? I'll accept it. I'll accept if you give me the proof. I'll accept everything, Nayan.
God is not only in temples and idols. The one who reigns in our heart is also Lord. I touch him and take a vow today. I'll prove everything. Everything.
Why are you staring at me like that? Nayan, I hope you remember that you need to prove it that my mom doesn't like Jasmine. Nayan, if you can prove this before tonight's party, then I won't announce Jasmine's name at the party. And if you can't,
Dripto, what was happening here? What happened? Tell me.
Let me go, ma'am. I have a lot of work.